Honoring the fathers, grandfathers, and father figures in our lives with a handmade quilt is one of the most heartfelt ways to express gratitude and love. These special men who offer guidance, strength, and unwavering support deserve gifts that reflect the time and care we put into celebrating them. A curated collection of Father's Day quilt patterns offers quilters of all experience levels the chance to create something truly meaningful. Celebrate a love for the great outdoors with the Go Father's Day quilt, a 35.5-inch square grid of multicolored star blocks. This rustic design features machine applique motifs of vintage trucks, campers, and wildlife, making it the perfect statement piece to hang in a hunting cabin or den. Bring iconic cinema to life for a sci-fi loving dad with the spectacular Darth Vader quilt. Measuring 44 by 40 inches, this conversation piece uses straight row piecing and raw edge applique to map out the legendary dark helmet for a fantastic home office or movie room display. Score a major touchdown with the Go Diamond Days quilt, a spirited 32 by 40-inch sports-centric throw. This eye-catching AccuQuilt design frames a classic geometric grid with a playful applique banner of footballs, basketballs, and baseball mitts to match every major season. Bring a touch of dapper sophistication to Dad's favorite chair with Mustache, a compact 38 by 47-inch lap quilt by Katie Jones. This beginner-friendly, fat quarter-friendly project uses fusible web to quickly stitch up a bold grid of whimsical, gentlemanly mustache appliques. Gift Dad a masterfully tailored look with the Dear Dad quilt, a generous 65-inch square design featuring rows of neckties and bow ties set inside diamond blocks. This straightforward layout is perfect for mixing plaids, stripes, and fabric scraps into a cozy, heartfelt showcase piece. Creating a Father's Day quilt is more than just a sewing project. It becomes a tangible expression of appreciation, a warm embrace stitched into fabric, and a lasting keepsake that can be treasured for generations. Every stitch carries intention, every seam holds memories, and the finished quilt becomes a physical reminder of the bond between maker and recipient. These patterns provide the framework, but the love, time, and personal touches added along the way transform fabric and thread into something far more valuable. A handmade quilt tells a father that he is worth the hours spent cutting, piecing, and quilting. It says that his presence in life deserves to be celebrated with something made by hand and given from the heart. Find more Father's Day quilt patterns designed to honor, celebrate, and show appreciation through the art of quilting at ilovequiltingforever.com.